Mongo, in Western Province, was the Movement for Multi-Party Democracy MMD presidential campaign destination, where they held a mammoth rally. But earlier, MMD presidential team, led by party president Dr. Nevas Mumba, paid a courtesy Kondali Tunga, the sole supreme leader of the Lozi-speaking people. On the first part of the meeting, the Barotse Royal establishment, through the Indunas, gave their opinion on the campaign promises with regards to the controversial Barotse Agreement of 1964. The Indunas feel hurt and betrayed by the turn of events by the current government on how they've handled the Barotse Agreement.
Continuous arrests of our people on the trumped up charges. Even as we are talking to you now, we have our children in prison for trumped up charges. When we know the real issue is the abrogation of the old agreement.
Later, speaking at the rally, Dr. Mumba's distanced his party from what he has termed fake promises on the Barotse Agreement, but has proposed a more realistic position once voted into power.
And I have proposed that a referendum be held for the people of Western Province to decide for themselves what they would like to see happen in their region according to the Barotse Agreement, so that you decide what you want to happen in this region.
The campaign team, comprising of acting MMD National Secretary Mwansambola Kunima, his deputy Winnie Zalomis, National Treasurer Elizabeth Chitika, and National Youth Chairperson Howard Kunda, also emphasized the need to have a more sober approach on the issue of the Barotse Agreement when they featured on a radio program at Radio Liseli in Mongo.
We're going to sit down and find a way forward which is mutually agreeable. But what I have proposed and what I intend to do without looking back is that I am going to recommend that the Western Province goes for a referendum.
The MMD presidential team now takes their campaign to Kalabo under the theme Leadership with Morality and Integrity. Alexander Musogo Twane, Movie TV News in Mongo, Western Province.